Welcome back children to the third part of the chapter, that is advanced features of TuxPaint. So today we are going to covering these two topics, that is deleting a drawing and quit tool. So today we are start this topic. So children, I hope everyone will safe and healthy in these situations of epidemic, that is COVID-19. So don't worry, there is no problem with your studies because your school with you, your teachers with you. So all the teachers will help you in your studies. So I hope we will get out of it very soon if we will fight together with this epidemic. So stay home and safe and study. So let us start from the topic, that is deleting a drawing. So children, in this topic today we will learn about how can we delete a saved file in a TuxPaint. So there's some steps that how to delete. First I will explain and then show you, which help you very easy to understand. So let us start from the topic, that is select the open tool. Select the open tools means there was a tool sections in which we have to select this open tool. After select this open tool, all the saved files will appear on the screen, and then we have to choose the drawing which you want to delete from the TuxPaint. Then click on the erase button present at the bottom right of the screen. When you select this open tool, then there one more options will appear, that is erase button. So TuxPaint will prompt the message erase this picture. If you want to select any picture of the saved files, then first we have to click on it. Then our TuxPaint will ask you that do you want to erase this picture. If yes, then we have to select on yes, and your pictures, your drawing will delete, and if not, then you will select no. So your selected drawing will not be deleted. Okay, so this is all about deleting a drawing. Now I will show you how to delete, which makes you a better sense. So children, look at this window. This is the window for deleting a drawing. So first what we have to do, that we will select this option, that is open tool, in which is given in the tool sections. So first we have to select this tool, and after select this tool we can see that all the saved files will appear on the screen like this. Okay, so choose any of them that which you want to delete from the TuxPaint. So just like for example, we can select this image for deleting. So we will select this slide or a picture or a drawing which you want, that is selected files, that is selected slide. Then click on the erase button. Look at this picture, this is the erase button. If you want to erase this, first what we have to do, first we will click on the tool buttons, that is open. Then all the files will appear. Then we select one of them which you want to delete, then select it, and after selection we will click on this erase button. After selecting this button, there two options will appear. So children, look at this picture, there is a two options will appear when you select this erase tool. There are two options. If you really want to delete any picture on it, any drawing from the TuxPaint, then your TuxPaint will ask you that erase this picture. Do you want to erase this picture? Look at this question mark. Your TuxPaint will ask you. That means he wants to know that if you want to delete, then you will select this option, the green one. That means yes, erase it. Then click on it. If you really don't want to delete, it was selected by mistake, then you will click on this button, that is the red one. Red one means no. So no, don't erase it. So we will select this button and your drawing will not be deleted. If we select this, your drawing will deleted, and if select this, your drawing will not be deleted. So this is all about how to delete the picture. First I will explain you again that what we have to do. The first one, that we will select select the open tool from the tool sections. After selection, you can see that all the slides, all the drawings will appear on the screen. Okay, so choose any of them which you want to delete from the text paint. Then you will select that drawing and just click on this erase tool. After clicking this tool, you will get these two options, because your text paint will ask you, if you want then click yes, if no then click no, don't erase it. Okay, so this is very simple, and I hope you will get how to delete a drawing. Now come to on the second topic, that is quit tool. So children, this is the last topic of this chapter, that is quit tool. So let us start. So children, what do you mean by quit? Quit means that which helps you to exit the text paint program. So how we quit this program, how we exit the text paint. So let us start. First we have to click on the quit tool, which is given in your tool sections. Then after select this tool options, your text paint will again ask you that do you really want to quit. If you really want to quit, then you will select the option that is yes, I am done, that your work has been completed. And if you select this, if you really don't want to exit this program, then click on this option, that is no, take me back. Okay, if you select yes, I am done, and you have not saved the drawing, then text paint will ask you whether you wish to save. If it is not a new image, you will then be asked whether you want to replace the older one or create a new file. So first I will show you how to quit this text paint program. So children, look at this window. This is the window of quitting a text paint. Then how do we exit the text paint program? So first what we have to do, first we will select the quit options from the tool section. This is quit. If you select this quit, then this is the small window. This small window will appear after clicking on this on your screen, and there are two options will given, that is yes, I am done, and no, take me back. It means your text paint will again ask you that do you really want to quit. If you really want to quit, then click on this yes option, and if you really don't want to quit, then you will click on this no, take me back. So this is all about the quit tool and how to exit from the text paint program. Okay, so children, these chapters will now finished and completed. So I hope you all are understand this chapter. And children, one more thing, if you have any issues, any doubts related to this chapter or any topic of this chapter or other video classes, just you can ask me. I will explain you and clarifying all the doubts of yours. So now thank you and have a nice day.